In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Replit for C programming. If you've never used Replit before, don't worry. We'll go step by step, starting from opening a project all the way to getting working C code generated for you. By the end, you'll know how to take advantage of Replit's AI tools to quickly move from an idea to a C program you can run and modify. Let's start with getting a project open. First, head over to Replit in your browser and sign into your account. On the main dashboard, you'll see an option to create a new project, often called a REPL, or to open an existing one. If you already have a project you want to work with, just click on it to open. If not, choose the option to create a new project and select a starting language or template. At this stage, the language doesn't have to be C yet, because we'll be working with an AI prompt first and then converting the result. Once your project is open, you'll see the code editor in the center, a file explorer on the side, and often a console or output panel at the bottom or right. This is your workspace. Make sure everything is loaded and ready before you move on. If you're creating something new, it can be helpful to give your project a descriptive name that reminds you what it's about, like student grade calculator or simple game logic, so you can easily find it later. Now you're ready to type your prompt for the project. Replit includes an AI assistant that can generate code based on natural language descriptions. Look for the AI or Ghostwriter style icon or panel, depending on the version you're using. Click into the AI prompt box or open the chat panel, then clearly describe what you want your program to do. For example, you might write something like, create a program that asks the user for 3 numbers, calculates the average, and prints the result. Or build a simple menu-driven calculator that can add, subtract, multiply, and divide 2 numbers. Be as specific as you can about the behavior and any constraints, such as how you want input handled or what output format you prefer. The more precise your prompt is, the better the generated code will match what you have in mind. Once you're happy with the description, submit the prompt and give the AI a moment to generate the project code. You should see files and code appear in your editor, usually in a higher level language like Python or JavaScript, depending on your initial setup and prompt. After everything is generated and you can see the code, the final step is to ask Replit to convert that code to C. Staying in the AI chat or prompt area, write a clear instruction such as convert this entire program to C or rewrite the current code in standard C that can be compiled and run in this Replit project. Make sure the AI has access to the current file contents, either by referencing this file or by highlighting the code before calling the assistant if that's supported in your setup. When the conversion is complete, Replit will provide C code, usually in a file like main.c. Replace or create that file in your project with the generated C code. Take a moment to scan through it, looking at the main function, any include statements, and how input and output are handled. Then run the project using the run button. If there are any compilation errors, read the messages carefully and either adjust the code or ask the AI to fix specific issues, such as missing headers or incorrect types. That's all there is to it. You've opened or created a project in Replit, described what you wanted using a natural language prompt, and then had the AI convert the resulting code into C. With this workflow, you can quickly prototype ideas, learn C by examining generated examples, and then refine the code to match your exact needs.